Myself, Mohan Katak, working as an assistant lecturer in the subject political science in DGB, Dayananda Law College, Solapur. For BA LLB 1, the subject Foundation of Political Obligation prescribed by Bar Council of India and Solapur University, Solapur. The main concept power and authority. In the study of political science, the authority is key concept. The word authority denotes capacity of the political institution, capacity of the person, capacity of the political system. The authority, the origin word autocrats means capacity, means ability. This word derived from Roman language and Latin language, which means senate, which means advice. Many political thinkers define the concept authority. In the study of authority, what is the grounds of authority? How can authority came into existence? And the authority is reliable, responsible. The authority is uh, responsible to which house? The authorial or the authority, how can occupy the post? How can appoint on particular and specific post? Therefore, to study the authority is useful and essential. There were many political thinkers like as Robert Dahl, S.M. Lipset, Max Weber, Karl J. Friedrich define the concept authority. According to Karl Friedrich, authority is the embodiment of reason and depends on the capacity of reasoning elaborations. The authority is often defined according to Machiavelli. The authority is often defined as being power, the power of command and obedience. Here, according to Max Weber, authority means legitimate power. Authority means lawful consideration. Authority means constitutional power. Max Weber defined three kinds of authority, namely, first, traditional authority. Traditional authority means in tribe or in religion or in ancient period, the traditional authority was the most popular in the world because still today, at the time of 21st century, we obey the different types of religion, religious philosophy, rituals, and we used different types of superstitions or custom, convention, traditions at the time of social, political, cultural, or financial activity and process. Max Weber defined traditional authority. Traditional authority is one type of base of authority. The custom convention play important role in society because the people they affected they are under the influence of the authority. Why? Because there is the existence of the custom convention and divine. Why we ought to obey the order of king? Because there is a traditional base. The king, religious teacher, or pope, they create their own existence, their influence towards society, regarding the society. Still today, instead of constitutional provision, every person in every country listen, obey, and follow the order of pope like Vatican City. Uh, in Mohammedan law, the Qaji or Imam Bukhari, his word is a remarkable word, valuable word, and people accept it and follow it. In Japan, Nepal, or in Great Britain, the word of Pope, the word of different types of traditional authority. In India, the Banjara society or different types of tribes, they accept the word of tribe leader because there is a the traditional base, conventional base, or customary practice. Therefore, the traditional authority play important role to complete the several obligation in each and every family. In each and every family, when we look towards the process of political, social, cultural, family, at that time, we can consider how can they complete it, why they believe, because they know, they assured, they believe towards customs and convention. Max Weber defined the second types of authority, namely uh, the legal and rational authority. Legal and rational authority most popular uh, after 18th century. After 18th century, the entire world turned towards democratic decentralization. The world accept representative government. Due to political, legal, social awareness, people they participate in different types of activity. They play their different role in society. They aware about their rights, they aware about their liberty. Max Weber defined legal rational authority. The legal rational authority based upon constitutional provision, legislative provision, there is a approval, there is a sanction from the society, from particular council, from particular legal or parliamentary body. Therefore, people they know the approval, they know legitimization, they know what is allowed, what is disallowed, what is correct, what is wrong, what is useful. They count which types of value, which types of utility. Therefore, the legal and rational authority mostly popular in the world after 18th century. The third types of authority is, according to Max Weber, namely charismatic authority. The word charisma came from Greek language, which means divine gift, which means God gift, which means nature's gift. Charismatic authority means exceptional quality, or exceptional personality. This person known as a hero of the nation, a hero of the nation. This person's word important and valuable word. This person never defeated in each and every society or in the life of state, in the life of nation, few person due to their personality, due to their word, due to their different types of look and exceptional quality, they create their own existence in the society. The number of citizens they believe they are in faith of this person, this personality, this hero, because this hero can turn the nation. This person is a visionary person. This person is a powerful or capable person. Those who are change, those who are revolt these types of system. This person can give direction, vision, or construction to the nation, to the society. This person is an ambitious person. Here, when we speak about charismatic authority, this uh, authority always give direction, suggestion, or program to the society. Number of citizens they support because this person born for state and die for state. These types of concept, these types of popularity arised in society. When we look towards Italy, Mussolini play important role in Italy. When we look towards Germany, Hitler play important role in the life of these types of personality, these types of charismatic leader, they never defeated. They born for state, and their when we count their work, devotion, sacrification, patriotism, or contribution to the world, this person create this person create their remarkable work, and each and every person always remember their work. Charismatic authority, charismatic authority create his own influence towards society and contribution to the society. Therefore, when we look towards these types of history or ancestral system, Krishna, Ram, they are also create their own uh, contribution. They never defeated number of citizens. They attracted toward this personality, and people accept the word of this person to compare constitutional law, to compare constitutional authority. Few person always create, always guide to the nation as a nation builder. Uh, in modern age, after 20th century, when we look towards the concept authority, the great political thinker H.J. Morgenthau defined three kinds of authority. Or when we look towards the division of power, distribution of power, and checks and balance of power. After 18th century, after 20th century, the world accept division of power. The division of power divided into three categories. One is executive, second is the legislative, and third is namely judicial authority. In modern age, for fast working, for specific and particular branch, for speedy justice, the executive authority. In executive authority, president, prime minister, cabinet, or different types of ministers, they are working. In legislative branch, after 18th century, due to work or overburden, there is a need to divide the power or authority among three branches. Therefore, the Legislative Council came into existence. The Legislative Council divided into two categories. In America, Senate and House of Representatives. In in Great Britain, when we look towards Great Britain, there were House of Commons and House of Lords. In India, our parliament divided into two branches, two chambers, namely Rajya Sabha uh, and Lok Sabha. Then third important authority or important branch is the judicial authority or judicial system. In judicial system, when we look towards the hierarchy of judicial system, Supreme Court, High Court, District Court, and Taluka Court, they play important role in judicial system. In India, the Chief Justice of India, known as a constitutional and topmost authority in India. In uh, state level, the High Court play important role. When we look towards implementary power goes towards a civil servant, like as a bureaucrats, like as a bureaucracy. This bureaucracy also known as administrative implementary authority. And in administrative authority, there were several cadres are there, division is there, and four category is there. Class 1 officer, class 2 officer, gazetted officer, non-gazetted officers, and other officers or subordinate working together. There is a one types of post craft, one types of organization, staff, purpose, planning, reporting, budget, these types of process done by administrative authority. However, when we look the non-political or NGOs or other political or non-political process, still today the religious authority also play important role in each and every state, in each and every society. Still today, in every family, the religious rituals, the religious ideology play important role in the life of each and every citizen. Therefore, instead of a constitutional provision, they accept easily or through the way of a customary practice the religious identification, the religious Upanishad, or different types of the idea sketched by the religious teacher. People immediately or easily or through the base of faith, through the base of beliefs, through the base of customary practice, they immediately accept, follow, and they behave as per word of religious teacher. Therefore, the religious authority still today play important role in the each and every country. Therefore, we think and consider about the different types of authority in modern age also. The authority, the authority, useful, indispensable part. Authority, there is a picture, there is a particular limitation, there is a reliability, there is a several features are there. They are responsible. There is a specific and particular work. There is a procedural law,